right now. Let's see how well it does. Let's see, this is Z-Plane, and let's see. Don't know how well this is recording because of this light, but let's see. Just go around to different angles. This is the plane. The plane, not finished. Still waiting on my parts. These are the carbon fiber rods that I'm going to reinforce it with. And the rest of the stuff is in the box. But it's I'm trying to get angles. I don't know much about this little recorder, but it's my little fob. It's going to go right up here or there or there or there. Well, now I'm going to go upstairs and see if I can push this back.